LiteFinance, the world of financial freedom.
Hi traders, next week we are expecting the publication of important macro statistics from China, Germany, Eurozone, Switzerland, US, Canada, Australia, as well as the results of the meeting of the RBA, Royal Bank of Australia. So after the holidays, we are getting to work with a strong kick. First, as always, the calendar. Monday we have China manufacturing PMI. Tuesday we have RBA interest rate decision, GDP data from Switzerland, and inflation data from Eurozone. At the end, we have the Fed's Chairman Powell testimony. Wednesday, we have GDP data from Australia and ADP data from US. Thursday, ISM PMI from the US, and the week will end with the NFP report, which should be interesting since the consensus shows a big drop in the number of new jobs created. Now a few words about oil and gold, which both are where they are for one reason: a rash of potential COVID-19 vaccine development news over the past 3 weeks. Oil is being bought on the promise that the pandemic will be curbed over time, meaning a return to a life as we once knew it. That could result in more mobility and travel, and thus more demand for oil. Gold is being sold on the expectation that the recovering global economy will continue to ratchet up appetite for risk assets like stocks and oil, reducing the need for safe havens. Goldman said that in the short term the oil market faced new lockdowns and a decline in demand for oil in Europe. But they added that they expect high volatility of prices in the short term, where on one side we have lockdowns and vaccine news, and on the other hand, recently there was strong buying and restocking among Asian countries, which masked the demand hit. Resuming, they said ultimately these winter headwinds are just speed bumps on the path to a tightening oil market, with the winter COVID wave delaying but not derailing the oil market rebalancing, with the normalized OECD stocks, OPEC plus spare capacity returning to first quarter of 2020 levels, and finally needed shale production growth all occurring by fourth quarter of 2021. In plain English, this means good times for speculations and looking for short-term buying as well as selling opportunities. So I wish you best of luck and see you next time. Take care.